Welcome to my dear student. Today our subject is physics, topic optics. This is the fourth part of optics. Already we discussed till question number 60 in 3 parts. Today we will start from question number 61. Question number 61 is when a ray of light enters a water-filled glass tank from a glass face making a non-zero angle to the normal, the emergent ray from the opposite face will follow a path which is A. Same, B. Deflected to the right, C. Deflected to the left, D. Parallel but not the same. Right answer of question 61 is option D, parallel but not same. As you can see in the image, incident ray and emergent ray will be parallel to each other but not same. Next question is question number 62. A red flower kept in green light will appear A. Red, B. Green, C. White, D. Black. The right answer of question 62 is option D, black. Next question is question number 63. Chromatic aberration in a lens is caused by A. Reflection, B. Interference, C. Diffraction, D. Dispersion. The right answer of question 63 is option D, dispersion. Chromatic aberration in a lens is caused by dispersion. Next question is question number 64. The image of an object formed by device is always virtual and small. The device may be A. Convex lens, B. Concave mirror, C. Concave lens, D. None of these. The right answer of question 64 is option C, concave lens. Next question is question number 65. A light wave enters from air into a medium of refractive index 1.5. The speed of light in the medium will be A. 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, option B. 4.5 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, option C. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, option D. None of these. The right answer of question 65 is option A. 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. As you can see in the image that mu is equals to 1.5, C is speed of light in vacuum which is always constant 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and V is speed of light in medium which we have to find out, and we know the formula mu is equals to C by V, so V is equals to C divided by mu. Now putting the value of C and mu, we can get the velocity of light in medium which is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next question is question number 66. A boy stands straight in front of a mirror at a distance of 30 cm from it. He sees his erect image whose height is 1 by 5 of his real height. The mirror he is using is option A. Plane, option B. Convex, option C. Concave, option D. None. Right answer of question 66 is option B. Convex. So here is the diagram. You can see that height is equals to image height is equals to 1 by 5 of the real height. So image height is small, and in the question given that the image is erect. So this possibility can be formed by only convex mirror. So option B is the right answer. Next question is question number 67. As an object gets closer to the focal point of a converging lens from infinity, its image A becomes smaller, B remains of the same size, option C gets farther from the lens, D gets closer to the lens. Right answer of question 67 is option C, gets farther from the lens. You can see here. Next question is question number 68. Image formed by a convex spherical mirror is A virtual, B real, C enlarged, D inverted. The right answer of question 68 is option A virtual. Next question is question number 69. The path of a refracted ray of light in a prism is parallel to the base of the prism only when the A light of a particular wavelength, B ray is incident normally at one phase, C ray undergoes minimum deviation, D none of these. The right answer of question 69 is option C, ray undergoes minimum deviation. So at minimum deviation condition, the refracted ray which is inside the prism is parallel to the base of the prism. Next question is question number 70. If the top half of a convex lens is covered with black paper, option A, the bottom half of the image will disappear, option B, the top half of the image will disappear, option C, the magnification will reduce to half, option D, the intensity will be reduced to half. If we cover top half or bottom half of a convex lens with a black paper, then the intensity will be reduced to half. So option D is right answer. Next question is question number 71. The phenomenon which caused mirage is A interference, B total internal reflection, option C polarization, option D diffraction. Right answer of question 71 is option B total internal reflection. Next question is question number 72. A convex lens is immersed in a liquid of refractive index greater than that of glass. It will behave as a option A convergent lens, option B divergent lens, option C plain glass, option D none of these. The right answer of question 72 is option B divergent lens. Next question is question number 73. Air bubble in water behaves as a option A divergent lens, option B convergent lens, option C plain glass, option D none of these. The right answer of question 73 is Option A, divergent lens. Next question is question number 74. Plane mirrors A and B are kept at angle theta with respect to each other. Light falls on A, is reflected, then falls on B and is reflected. The emergent ray is opposite to the incident direction. The angle theta is equal to A 30 degree, B 40 degree, C 60 degree, D 90 degree. Right answer of question 74 is option D 90 degree. Next question is question number 75. Which one of the following phenomenon is used in optical fibers? A. Scattering, B. Successive reflection, C. Refraction, D. Total internal reflection. Right answer of question 75 is option D. Total internal reflection. Next question is question number 76. Which of the following is used by dentist to see the image of teeth of a patient? A. Concave lens, B. Convex lens, C. Convex mirror, D. Plane mirror, E. None of these. Right answer is option E. None of these, because dentist use to see the image of teeth of a patient by concave mirror, which is not in the option. So option E, none of these is the right answer. Next question is question 77. Focal length of a convex lens is maximum for A. Blue light, B. Yellow light, C. Green light, D. Red light. Right answer of question 77 is option D. Red light. Next question is question 78. The magnifying power of a compound microscope is A. Objective magnification divided by eyepiece magnification. Option B. Eyepiece magnification multiplying by objective magnification. Option C. Eyepiece magnification divided by objective magnification. Option D. Objective magnification plus eyepiece magnification. Right answer of question 78 is option B. Eyepiece magnification multiplying by objective magnification. Next question is question number 79. What was invented by Zacharias Janssen? A. Jet engine, B. Radium, C. Microscope, D. Electric lamp. Right answer of question 79 is option C. Microscope. Next question is question number 80. Which type of image of an object is formed by eye lens on retina? A. Erect and real, B. Erect and virtual, C. Inverted and real, D. Inverted and virtual, E. None of these. The right answer of question 80 is option C. Inverted and real, which is formed by eye lens on retina. Thanks for watching.